maraming nag-succeed during the time of crisis simply because they strive, simply because they took the risk, and they challenged the norm.
The opportunities are tremendous if you will only look at the positive side of what is happening in this world. So,
The best thing about being partners with Blend would be this actually opens opportunities for individuals who want to enter into the business that don't have the capital yet to start their own business. I mean, the success story, sino bang ayaw na maging successful, 'di ba? Sino ba ang ayaw na wala naman sa atin gumigising sa umaga to fail. Everyone wants to be successful. But the biggest challenge that we have as Filipinos is that most of us, we lack the opportunity, right? And I think what Blend provides is the opportunity for individuals to take that risk and say, you know what, I'll be part of that success story. You know what, maybe if I risk a little, based on the calculations, kaya naman natin tong i-risk, maging successful din ako. And I think that is the biggest opportunity that Blend provides, not just for me, but also for my franchisees. Kasi mahirap sumugal, mahirap erase yung funds, but with Blend, you know, there's that opportunity for them.
Actually, gusto mo magkaroon ng wedding agency. So si BlendPH is magkakaroon ka ng, we can relay them to BlendPH para at least ma-fulfill nila yung gusto nila magkaroon ng wedding agency. So because they can give funding to dun sa gustong talaga magbukas ng negosyo.
Kumbaga monthly basis ang payment kasi sa BlendPH.
So yun.
So much opportunities in this time of pandemic. While others are sleeping, if you're the only one going to open that, you're gonna benefit from it. Remember also on the television, I've been in this industry for like 32 plus years. Where do we put our TV commercials? On the time slot where there's so much, where there are not much of the TVs appearing. So now is the time while others are just like waiting for the pandemic to end. While others are waiting for the vaccination, which we don't even know. In my insights, gathering all the information from all the industry, we will be in a quarantine economy in the next 2 to 3 years, meaning the lockdown may be on and off in the next 2 to 3 years. Will you wait for that year to open your the business that you would like? No, there is no perfect time done today. If you have that idea, or if you have that kind of resources or the passion or the energy, do it now, because you may not know you will be bigger even up before the pandemic ends.
For me, just stay relevant. Diba? Kasi essential na tayo eh. So stay relevant. Continue lang kami sa pag-train ng mga tao, continue kami sa pag-research kung ano yung mga kailangan gamitin, ano yung mga bagong way para sa pag-disinfect. Ganun, we just continue to be relevant. Kasi essential na tayo eh, di ba? Kung meron kang idea, and you think it's good, you think meron kang market, try to do it slowly. Slowly, pag-aralan mong maigi, and then, be brave enough to try. Be brave enough. Wag lang lahat ibibigay. Dapat, syempre, kahit pa paano, test the water. Di ba? You have to test the water.